This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can turn on or off the TalkBack feature on this smartwatch. So in the beginning, you will need to wake your watch up and launch settings, either by swiping downwards from the watch face and opening settings from here, or you can open the app view and also launch settings from the list of applications here. Now scroll this page down, enter the accessibility category and open the TalkBack. Here you have the toggle that allows you to enable or disable this feature, which you can do like that. And you can also enable the button shortcut, which will make it so that if you triple press the side button, you will enable and disable the TalkBack respectively, so you will not need to go full length here and dive that deep into the settings to toggle this feature on and off. You can just from anywhere on your watches, you can triple press the side button. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the TalkBack has been switched off. Now it is enabled. As simple as that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.